Imagine living here looking out over this gorgeous view every day. This pool is heated to 86 degrees year round and it's ready for your enjoyment. The glass balconies make sitting out here just a lovely experience. But first, let's go in and check out the kitchen. Now, look at this beautiful quartz countertop. The gold veining is very popular, and you'll see this gold touches throughout, which is very in right now, very trendy. The ceiling is flat with LED lights, which is perfect for your low-cost electric bills. This slide-in stove has barely been used. Look how clean it is. The glass cooktop has not even a scratch on it. And they have the soft close cabinetry in here. So anybody trying to open and close the cabinets, you're not going to hear a sound when it slams shut, because it won't be slamming shut. The kitchen sink is a workstation sink, so you can cut vegetables easily or put a cutting board there. And then, of course, the very large garbage disposal makes just getting rid of your waste so easy. And then all these drawers are soft close, so everything in here is soft close. And on the back side of the wall is nothing but a wall of cabinets, tons of storage. Now we're going to head into the bathroom. The bathroom has recently been totally updated, all marble throughout. They added this gorgeous 5-panel horizontal panel door, the sliding barn door type, very modern touch with the vertical black handle, very dramatic. This entire wall, all these walls in here are marble. It's all marble with the gold touches again throughout in here. You have a rain shower overhead and a handheld shower. This is just best for your both options when showering. Marbles surround you in the shower. It's a beautiful environment. And you even have a French drain down on the floor. It's beautiful flooring as well as what they put in here. And that flooring pattern carries throughout the bathroom. You see the gold handles, the gold frame mirror, medicine cabinet. It's just a really beautiful job they did in the bathroom. Big upgrade. You see the floating vanity there as well. Now, this is what that sliding door looks like from the inside. See how cool that is? Very nice. This huge one-bedroom apartment features not one, but 2 big closets. There's plenty of room for your storage space. And there's also room for a king-size bed and a seating area. So these one-bedrooms are really large, surprisingly so. And you also have a view of the pool from in here. So keep this in mind when you come looking at 3300 Northeast 36th Street, apartment 220. This building has completed all the milestone inspection reports and the structural integrity reserve study, making it a very structurally and financially sound building. Please call with any questions, 954-706-6001, or to schedule your appointment.